Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ServiceNow 911. Today, I am discussing about security, and I want to, provide a suggestion. Let me know how you like it. Okay. So now let me share the screen. So this is the PDF which I have created. Just look at the PDF like ACL, masking, data privacy application, scripts, and there are many other things. They have these things available, but what options we are giving for users to sensitize their data, to indicate that this data is vulnerable, because you never know. There are n number of verticals, there are n number of applications, there are n number of custom applications, right? And I see that there is no option in such fields or in such tables where a user can define such vulnerability. That, let's say, there is a field which I think as per my process is vulnerable, and I do not have any option to just indicate that that is vulnerable. That's what I want here. Along with read only, mandatory, display, I want something known as vulnerable. So this option should be available to all the fields, because ultimately it is me who has to decide whether this particular thing is vulnerable or not. Okay, once we have this, then we can do some further things. Like here, you see, we already have this VIP option here. Like for VIP users, it is very good indication. So I want certain type of icons, certain type of indication, not this one, but maybe anything which ServiceNow decide to be there whenever the user has that field open in front of them. The user has to see, okay, this is a vulnerable field. I should be more cautious to write something there. What I have to write, all these things should be defined properly. Okay, so this is a kind of thing, you can say it's a kind of responsibility of the user. So now he has to think and then provide some value there. After that, in this slide, I have provided certain out-of-box configuration. Let's say a user selected a particular field as vulnerable, then we may apply, all depends on service now, that that particular field should be provided some additional security. The data masking should be available. Okay, some automatic read-only kind of thing should be there. ACL restrictions, foreign update restrictions. Nobody can update that field from outside. Okay, and once it is downloaded, the data should be hidden, something like that, because it is a vulnerable information as per the user, right? So we can have some kind of out-of-box things like here. Okay. Finally, in the last slide, the customer can do a number of customization based on that particular field. But I think these out-of-box things are good. That's what I feel. So I want this small feature to be available in ServiceNow in coming releases. Yeah, I may be true, I may be wrong, but this is a small thing, but it has immense applications, immense potential once implemented with proper designing and all, right? So that's what I want you guys to look into it and let me know what is the what. So that's what I want you guys to look into it and let me know what are your thoughts. I will keep on finding something like this so that you will also have some brainstorming. Thank you so much. Bye bye.